Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Workforce WF-2950 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to scan documents with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network. To scan documents, open glass scanner. We're going to use the scanner glass. Put the document you want to scan face down, close the cover. The first method we want to use to scan, we're going to use Windows Scanner. You need to go to Laptop Start, go to the settings, then select Printers and Scanners, then add a device. After you add a device, you need to look for Epson Workforce from the list. So once you add a device, it will show you installing and show you that the printer is ready. You can print a test page, but in this case, we want to scan documents. So select Scanner Settings, then open Scanner. The printer is available. Then Source, Flatbed, File Type, PDF, Show More. We want to scan this in color. Resolution, 300 dpi selected. We want to save the file to Documents, then select Scan. Document is scanning. Then select View to view the file. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P or you select print icon on top. Then select the printer from the list. Epson Workforce is selected. Then select Range All. Select number of copies. And we want to print it in color. More settings. The paper as A4, 1 page per sheet. Scale, fit to printable area. Print on both sides, off. Then select print. If you want to print on both sides, then you select print on both sides, but this is 1 page document, so select print. This document is printing. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another method to scan documents, we're going to close this. Once you install the full driver and software package for this printer, then from your laptop, desktop, you need to look for Epson Scan 2. So open Epson Scan 2. Then select the printer. Printer is selected. Epson Workforce Network. Scan settings. Select on the scan setting. Default. Mode. Documents. If you want to scan photo, then you select photo. Document source. Auto dictate. You can also scroll down to select glass scanner or ADF. So glass scanner. And image type. Scroll down to select color. Resolution, the maximum 1200, 300 dpi are selected. I want us to scan two-sided, so select add a page, add or edit page after scanning. Then image format, PDF. You can give the document name and also folder. Then you select scan. So this document is scanning using Epson Scan 2. This is the second method to scan documents. You have up to 4 methods to scan documents with this printer to computer. To scan the second page, open glass scanner and put the document you want to scan face down. Close the cover. Then select Add to scan the second page. Scanning the second page, we are using Epson Scan 2. Epson Scan 2. So you need to look for this on your laptop desktop. Once you install the full package, full software and driver package. And once you finish, then you select Save to save the document. So this document is saved, and if you want to see it, you need to go to Documents, then type the date the document was scanned. So I'm going to type the date. Then you need to look for the time, and this is the document. Double click it to open. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P or you select print icon, Ctrl P. Then scroll down, select print all and also in color. More setting, I want us to print this two-sided. Fit or printable area, you can also select default. Then select print on both sides, long edge, then select print. So this document is printing two-sided. Printing reverse side of the document, do not touch. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another method to scan documents, we're going to do scan to computer from the control panel. So to scan documents, use right arrow button, select Scan, and also make sure you put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Then select Computer. Then select OK. Then it will show you the laptop. The laptop is available. Scroll up and select OK to the laptop. It will show you the laptop. Then scroll down to select Preview on computer. Select OK. Then save as PDF. Then you select Start. So this document is scanning to computer, and also you need to wait for this to show on the laptop. Here we go. This is the document scanning. If you change your mind, you can also select Cancel to cancel the job. So the document is scanning, and we are previewing this on the computer. And this is the image. It will show you the image and the time. If you want to see this, you need to click on it or double click on it to open the file. This is the document we scanned. I will not print it out, so these are methods, 3 methods to scan document I want to show you. So we scanned using Epson Scanner 2, Epson Scan 2, and also Windows Scanner, and also scan using Scan to Computer from the panel. I will not print this out, but these are methods to scan documents. There are other methods, but I want to give you these 3 options. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.